This video covers OBS Studio versus vMix, two leading live production software options. Choosing the right tool can transform your live streaming quality and workflow without overwhelming complexity. Both offer powerful features but differ in approach and usability. OBS Studio and vMix are popular for live video production, but they differ fundamentally. OBS Studio is open source and highly customizable, while vMix is a commercial solution with extensive built-in features and professional support. The core difference lies in flexibility versus out-of-the-box functionality. OBS Studio is a free open-source live streaming and recording software widely used by creators and professionals. It works by capturing video and audio sources, mixing them in real time, and broadcasting to platforms like Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook. Its modular design allows users to add plugins and customize layouts extensively. Strengths include its zero-cost, cross-platform compatibility, and a strong community providing continuous updates and support. However, OBS Studio requires more manual setup and technical knowledge, which can be challenging for beginners. It lacks some advanced features like built-in multi-camera switching or instant replay without third-party tools. Ideal users are content creators, hobbyists, and small studios looking for a flexible, budget-friendly solution with room to grow and customize. vMix is a professional live production software that offers a comprehensive suite of tools for streaming, switching, recording, and live mixing. It operates on Windows and supports high-resolution inputs, including 4K and multiple cameras simultaneously. vMix integrates advanced features like instant replay, virtual sets, multi-view, and built-in titling, making it suitable for broadcast quality productions. Its user-friendly interface streamlines complex workflows, reducing setup time and technical hurdles. The software is commercial, with tiered pricing depending on features and input channels, which may be a barrier for casual users. Limitations include its Windows-only support and cost, which can be significant for smaller operations. vMix is ideal for professional broadcasters, event producers, and organizations requiring robust, reliable live production with minimal need for external plugins or customization. Comparing OBS Studio and vMix reveals clear trade-offs. OBS Studio excels in flexibility and cost-effectiveness, making it perfect for creators who want full control and customization without upfront investment. However, it demands more technical skill and additional plugins for advanced features. vMix offers a polished, all-in-one experience with professional tools like instant replay and multi-camera support built in, saving time and effort during live events. This comes at a price and requires Windows, limiting accessibility. For solo streamers or small teams, OBS Studio's open-source nature and community support provide great value. For larger productions or professional broadcasts, vMix's stability, feature set, and ease of use justify the investment. Both deliver high-quality live production, but cater to different user needs and budgets. Choose OBS Studio if you want a free, customizable, and open-source live production tool with strong community support and are comfortable with the steeper learning curve. Option vMix if you need a professional, feature-rich live production software with built-in tools and streamlined workflows, especially for multi-camera and broadcast quality events. Its investment pays off with ease of use and reliability for serious live producers.